The Lockinge was up at 3:05. Paco Boy and Richard Hughes had unfinished business in this Group 1 contest. Favourite on the off, 11-8 on.
Handler in to assist the checker. And they're off. And the checker was the one that was a little slow to find stride early on. Pipe Dreamer is prominent in company as well with Zakinto and Stimulation. Stimulation, who looks as if he's going to adopt the front-running tactics, albeit at no more than a steady pace. Now being joined by Prince of Dance. In third place is Lord Shanakill in the blue and green. Zakinto on the left in the pink cap, ahead of Pipe Dreamer in the noseband. Paco Boy in the maroon with the white face is settled in sixth place early on from Ukbar. Then the checker, and last of all is Kigali, as Stimulation and Prince of Dance set just a steady tempo through the first couple of furlongs. Lord Shanakill in the blue colours races in third. Fourth is disputed by Pipe Dreamer on the right and Zakinto on the left. Then in midfield remains Paco Boy. The checker in red and black, Kigali and Ukbar still towards the tail of the field. So Stimulation for Darrell Holland, leading past halfway. Prince of Dance in second place. Lord Shanakill still travels comfortably enough. Zakinto just being niggled along. Paco Boy amongst horses, but full of running it would appear at this stage. Then comes Ukbar to the right, Pipe Dreamer. Then the checker as they make their way now with 2.5 furlongs to travel. Lord Shanakill still lobbing along behind them. Paco Boy, his rider in no hurry at all. Pipe Dreamer towards the outside in company with Ukbar. Stimulation. The checker tries to stay on, but Paco Boy is laughing at them. Would appear in a Group 1 race from Lord Shanakill, then Pipe Dreamer, the checker and Ukbar. Now Paco Boy's asked to go because Ukbar got first run on the far side, but Paco Boy picks up well. Ukbar can't go with him. Supreme class. Paco Boy rights the wrong of last year's Lockinge and wins decisively. Ukbar second, Lord Shanakill third, the checker and Pipe Dreamer, Kigali and Stimulation.
Devastating success for Paco Boy in the Tote Sport Lockinge, 11-8 on favourite, beating Ukbar by 3/4 of a length. The runner-up 16-1. They came clear of Lord Shanakill in third at 9-1.